morning to the first grammar or the first English grammar class. I am Abdullah Sharif and I will teach you some very basic grammar. Let's start with our headlines. Today we are learning pronouns, possessive adjectives, and plural nouns. In this lesson, we're going to start with a little introduction, personal pronouns, possessive adjectives, and finally plural nouns. And I'll conclude with a little quiz. First of all, pronouns in English are very important to learn. There are only 7. Possessive adjectives in English come before nouns and tell to whom a certain thing belongs. Plurals in English are formed using an S at the end of words. Sometimes there is an extra E, and this of course depends on the last letter of the word. So our learning objectives for this class is going to be pronouns, possessive adjectives, and plural nouns. Pronouns in English. We have I, you, we, they, he, she, it. So there are in total 7. Let's read the examples. I am Abdullah Sharif. You're my best friend. We're a lovely family. They are my students. He's a tall man. She's a nice girl. It's my car. Possessive adjectives in English are also very basic and very important to learn. I, my, like in I have a big house, my house is expensive. You have a nice car, your car is cheap. So your. They have a good teacher, the teacher's name is Ahmed. We have another suggestion. Our suggestion is that we stay here. So we are. Our suggestion. The suggestion that belongs to us. She has a friend. Her friend is called Sarah. He has a bus. His bus is nice. The table is blue, but its surface is white, so it belongs to the table. Great. If you want to learn something, you have to practice it. Without practice, you are not going to master anything. So in general, practice makes success, and this is an English saying. If you want to master something, go and practice it every day. So I would like you to practice these pronouns and these possessive adjectives. So possessive adjectives in English are I, my, you, your, they, their, we, are, and he, his, she, her, and it, its. Perfect. Plurals in English, or plural nouns in English. If you would like to make a plural, add an S to regular nouns and they become plural, so it's simple. For example, car, just add S, it's cars. Cat, just add S and it's cats, the plural. 1 car, 2 cars, 1 cat, 5 cats. However, there are some nouns which end with one of these letters, S, CH, which is pronounced like ch, SH, which is pronounced like sh, X and Z. We usually need an extra E. So for example, bus, buses, box, boxes, bush, bushes. Great. Also, there are some irregular nouns that change in other ways. So we have irregular nouns. I will include them in the next slide. So let's see. For example, we have nouns that end with if or fe change into ves. Like knife, it's not knife, it's knife. It becomes knives. So when we have a K followed by an N, the K is silent. Life, lives, wife, wives, calf, calves, leaf, leaves. We also have irregular pronouns like foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, men, men, women, woman. Mouse, mice, die, dice, ox, oxen, child, children, person, people, penny, pence in British English. Sheep, fish, moose, swine, buffalo, shrimp, trout. So these are irregular pronouns. They are the same in both singular and irregular and plural forms. We have some irregular pronouns like focus, foci, radius, radi, fungus, fungi, nucleus, nuclei, cactus, cacti, aluminous, alumni, octopus, octopuses or octopi, hippopotamus, hippopotamus, hippopotami or hippopotamuses. Like this is the horse of the river. Now we have a quiz. Try to do it. Pause the video and do it. Okay, now we can do it together. John is my student. He's very intelligent. Alice is my sister. She lives abroad. Mary are my students. They are very hardworking. Stop the video, pause the video and do it. Okay, my dog is smarter than theirs. This is my dog. It is raining. Great. So I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, please. Stay safe.